Dim lights dancing on your skin, slowly pulling me within. Every breath you take is deep, like a promise you want to keep.
Hi everyone from beautiful Istanbul. This is my first video and I decided to sharing you my life here in Istanbul. I recently moved into a new apartment and I love to show you how I design and decorate it, and you will see many parts of the designing and unboxing of the new items or something what I bought especially for this apartment. So I am originally from Azerbaijan, Baku. I am 33 years old. I moved to Istanbul 10 years ago and never left it. I love Turkey, so I decided to live here and spending my life and trying to live my best life. I have background in music, I love painting, I love creating something in the art. Interior design is one of my biggest passions actually. So you will see all my life here on this channel, so I hope you will enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned. See you soon.
Dim lights dancing on your skin, slowly pulling me within. Every breath you take is deep, like a promise you wanna keep. Your fingers tracing every line, sending shivers down my spine. No rush, we got all night, lost inside this gentle high. Don't say a word, just let it flow. There's a language we both know. In the silence we confess everything we never said. Touch me softly, take your time. Let your love speak through your eyes. Every moment feels so right. Hold me closer through the night. Touch me softly, don't let go. There's a fire burning slow. In your arms I come alive. Keep me here till morning light. Moonlight falling on your face. We move slow in perfect pace. Heartbeat sinking next to mine, like a rhythm so divine. Every whisper, every sigh lifts me up, I start to fly. In this moment, nothing else, just your love and no one else. Feel the warmth between us.